In this tutorial, we are going to cover some basic queries to get you started if you are new to working with databases. These queries will be run on SQL Server, but most of them will work on other platforms. This tutorial assumes that you already have a table to work with. If not, see our video on how to create a database table in SQL Server. Let's begin. Let us start with the Insert Into query. This query allows us to insert data into our table. It has three basic parts: the name of the table we will be inserting the data into, the columns we will be adding the data to, and the values that will be assigned to those columns. In our example, we are inserting a new customer into our customer information table. We write Insert Into, then our table name, customer information, then the column names of the table we will be adding data to, enclosed in parentheses, followed by the keyword, values, and finally the values for those columns. Once you have your query written, click the Execute button located on the toolbar at the top. This will run your query and insert the data into your table. In most versions of databases, you will have a results window, normally located at the bottom of the screen, that will show you any message as a result of running a query. In our example, the message shows one row affected. That is because we inserted one new row of data into our table. Next, we're going to retrieve our data from our database table. We do this with the select statement. The syntax for the select statement is fairly simple. First, we use the keyword select. Then we tell the query which columns from the table we want to see. Then we use the keyword from, followed by the name of the table. In our example, we use an asterisk where the column names would go. We do this because we want to return all of the columns from our table. If we wanted to see a specific column from the table, we would type that column out where the asterisk is. Once you finish typing your query, click the Execute button on the toolbar at the top. Your results will show in the results window at the bottom of the screen. Now we are going to introduce the Where clause into our query. Using Where allows us to select specific data based on the criteria we set the Where to. Let's say we only wanted to return customers that have the name, My First Company. We would write our query to say, select asterisk from customer information, where customer name is equal to My First Company. After clicking the Execute button, the results window at the bottom will show only the data from the table where the customer name is equal to the words My First Company. Go ahead and give it a try. Try changing the criteria in the Where clause to select different data from your table. This concludes our tutorial on writing simple SQL queries to insert and select data from a database table. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Support Desk channel. Also, check out our other Support Desk videos, and if you have an IT question that needs to be answered, leave it in the comments section below.